Mastering Facebook ads as a real estate agent. Are you wanting to unlock the secrets to how to actually elevate your real estate business using Facebook ads? Well, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the exact steps that you can use as a real estate agent in order to convert your Facebook ads at a higher level or potentially start doing them to elevate your business. I personally believe in this so much because I know the impact that it's had in my business. I moved to a brand new city before I got licensed where I had no leads, no network, and online advertising was the biggest game changer in order for me to have success and continue to have success as the market is decreasing in sales. Me and my team's sales keep increasing each and every single year. So I want to share exactly what I'm doing to have success on Facebook ads. Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group. And if you're someone that is currently doing Facebook ads and you feel like you're just lighting your money on fire and not actually getting any sales or conversions, there's going to be quite a few different reasons why this could potentially be happening. But mostly it comes down to your actual systems and how you set up your Facebook ads. So if you'd like for my team to take over your Facebook ads marketing and help you get to the next level, we'll go in the description, fill out that form, and if you're a right fit, we'll reach out to you to go on the next steps. But if you're someone that's doing 10 deals a year and you can't just seem to quite hit that 20-30 deal mark, and you would like to potentially, you've been listening and seeing exactly what I'm putting out there, and you'd like to become a business partner of me and my team, well then go in the description. There's a Calendly link there. You can schedule a call with me to see if you would be a right fit to join our team. 100% guarantee that we're going to be able to elevate your business. If you're someone stuck doing around 10 deals a year, we're going to be able to get you to 20 or 30. Have you ever been just scrolling Facebook and all of a sudden you get hit with something that you're literally talking about and it's like exactly describing? This literally happened to me and my girlfriend the other day. We were talking about getting a cold plunge and potentially getting one of those pop-up saunas that you can do that like collapse and fold down that are really easy to set up. And guess what I've been getting hit with every single day on my Facebook and Instagram is cold plunges and these little pop-up sauna tents that you can put into any room. It's crazy the power that Facebook has, and we've really tapped into this in terms of real estate. I don't know how many times people were saying, I was literally just talking about Kelowna homes for sale with my husband the other day, and then I started seeing your ads. It's actually crazy how that works. So if this has happened to you, I can tell you that this is going to happen. Facebook is going to be able to find the right target audience for you to capture people that are currently really interested in homes for sale in your market. So let's just talk a little bit about the power of Facebook ads. So my team, we're currently seeing a 10-to-1 return. So every $1,000 you put into Facebook ads, you're going to be making $10,000 from it. And the reason why this is because Facebook has 2.8 billion monthly active users. There is no other social media platform that comes even close. The amount of people that have Facebook accounts is insane. And the amount of people that use it multiple times throughout the day. The people watching this video, how many times do you go on there each and every single day? It is one of the best platforms to target your ads at, especially as a real estate agent. The next key point is before you actually start doing Facebook ads is you have to understand what audience do you want to target. So for me, say if I was going to start doing some first-time home buyers ads in my market with the price point with being over 1.2 million is the average single family home sale, and even just to get into the condo market is like around 580,000 for an average condo price. So people are going to be needing around $100,000 to $150,000 just to get into the market here, and to buy a simple condo as well is extremely unlikely to actually have first-time home buyers in my market where I'd just be kind of wasting my ads. Personally, when I first started in the industry, because I was a younger person, I'm like, I'm going to be doing first-time home buyers, and did a ton of specific marketing towards them, to then realize, geez, when I reflect on the hundred some deals that I've done in my short career, only about 4 or 5 of them have been first-time home buyers, and a lot of times those people, their parents lent them money in order to get into the market. So this is where understanding your audience. We believe the best people that are to target right now currently in this market where it's softer are the people that need to sell. So who are the people that need to sell? That's typically someone downsizing their home. This could be either for a medical reason where they're not able to do stairs anymore and the master bedroom's on the main level, or the space is just becoming too overwhelming and they can't seem to take care of it. So understanding your audience is absolutely crucial for you having success as a real estate agent doing Facebook ads. And if you want to know the downsizing ads that my team is doing to set us up to have 20 new listings come next spring, hit the market, and then all those people buy, which is going to be 40 transactions, then go to the description, fill out that Google Ads form, and we can set up our downsizing ads for you so you become a listing agent and have a ton of double enders from these ads. So now that we understand our audience and who we're going to be targeting with, is you got to write good copy. So if I'm sticking with the downsizer trend, what are the major pain points that these people are struggling with? Well, they're not going to want to do yard work. They want to live on one level. They don't want to do any more stairs. They have too much space. So put all that stuff into your ad copy. I've been using ChatGPT and all these other AI tools where I just give it a quick little prompt and in a minute it spits out exactly what the best tailored ads and what the best copy is going to be for people looking to downsize their home. So if you want that information on my top AI tools, go to my Instagram at russellmortlock.realestate and shoot me a DM saying AI, and I'll provide you with the AI tools that I'm using to change my real estate business. The next thing is creating great visual captions. Once we have our audience in line, we have our ad copy in line, we develop the right ad creative around that. I give this example all the time where I see people in my market, they have this beautiful picture of Lake Okanagan, massive drone shot, and then they say $500,000 condos for sale. It's really misleading and confusing. I could see that picture, and on first when I look at it, I could think it's a boat rental, I could think it's a ski-doo place, maybe paddle boarding, or maybe just something about the general Kelowna because it's such a historical picture. Make sure your images are in line with your ad copy and your audience. And this is where people just literally light their money on fire and they're like, oh, my average cost per lead is so high. It's because your ads are misleading and not actually targeted to what is going to deliver to refine that to bring down your cost per lead. The next thing that you need to understand is when you get your Facebook ads going is let them run. That algorithm that I mentioned at the start where you're talking about that stuff and next thing you know you're getting hit with those ads is absolutely amazing that Facebook can do all these things. So let it run. Don't be tweaking it every single day. Let Facebook decide who your audience is going to be best to see these ads, and I guarantee you're going to have massive success just leaving it alone. But if you're someone that wants to see exactly how to get every $1,000 you put into Facebook ads produces you a $10,000 return and you'd like my team to take over your Facebook ads, well, go in the description, fill out that form, and if you're a right fit, we will help you actually crush it with Facebook ads. But then for the people that would like to partner with me and be a part of my team and to grow your real estate business, this is going to be primarily for agents that are doing around 10 deals and are a little stuck and they want to get to that 20-30 deal mark. If you partner with us, I can guarantee you we're going to be able to get you to that. Just how robust our business plan is, we are going to be able to help you double your business and hit your real estate goals. So if that's you, go in the description and schedule a call with me using that link.